Hey guys, if y'all did not see that, y'all just missed out. Anyways, I did it with this cat, my mama, Pete, Lucy. Right now she's running off because of the Lamar. I gotta go in. Guys, I just legit just made it. It was awesome. And everything else. Hold up. I gotta go ahead and get my homework. I gotta go ahead and get my homework. We'll set it right here. You'll be able to see me. Go by. That's the Lamar lady. Okay, I'm back. Alright, anyways, we're back inside. And this big blood over here. Oh! It blinded me. I looked up. Anyways. Ow! We'll be using this. Oh my god, Daddy! Hi. Wait, put Mama in here. So I can do that. Hey, y'all. Y'all know what I mean. Some room over here. Okay, this should be enough room for now.